everyone! It's me again, Jayan. For today's video, samahan niyo ako because I will be sharing a simple but important day in my life because it's my enrollment for 4th year. Let's go! So anyways, gumising pala ako ng maaga dyan kasi may pupuntahan pa ako. And then, ayaw ko kasing malit kasi kapag malit ako, ang dami ng student nakapila doon. Kaya, gumising ako ng maaga. Kahit medyo inaantok pa, pero kailangan bumangon kasi this is my future. Char! Ang unang ginawa ko dyan, ay niligpit ko muna yung mga gamit ko para maayos lahat. Then after that, naligo na ako para fresh and ready for the day. Introducing my favorite body salt scrub. Ito yung product na ginagamit ko ngayon and I really love it. As you can see guys, hindi nagda-dry yung skin ko. Super smooth siya after gamitin. Before, I had a lot of scratches on my skin because of my allergy. But ever since I started using this, nawala na siya little by little. That's why I really recommend this product because it makes my skin feel soft, clean, and healthy. If you are interested, ilagay ko lang yung link sa comment section. So ayan, pagkatapos ko maligo, inayos ko yung tripod ko para maganda yung video ko. So anyways, ito pala yung suotin ko ngayon. 1, 2, 3, go! Wow,
oh my God!
Simple lang pero comfortable and bagay for today's skin health. And then guys, magme-makeup ako para mas maging confident. Honestly, I don't really know how to explain it, but I just really love doing my makeup. Parang it makes me feel better about myself and mas ready akong humarap sa araw. Char, parang nagiging extra push up for me to feel good and present. Even if simple makeup lang, it already changes how I feel inside. Pero I also understand na nakadepende talaga siya sa tao. May iba na hindi mahilig sa makeup and that's totally okay. At the end of the day, it's all about what makes you comfortable and confident in your own way. For me, this is just my way of self-care. May days rin na pagod ako or wala sa mood, but I still try to fix myself a little. Kasi I believe even small things like this can help you feel more positive and ready for the day. So ayan guys, naglagay ako ng ano-ano dyan sa face ko. So diyan guys, pinaspeed ko lang at kinakat yung ibang video na yan kasi gagawin din ko yan ng content while nagsasalita ako kasi sayang naman, diba? So anyways guys, mag-4th year na ako. Parang dati pinapangarap ko lang to. Lagi ko kasing sinasabi na sana 4th year na ako. And now, God answer my prayers. Finally, 4th year na talaga ako. Hindi naman po sa pagmamayabang, pero gusto ko lang kayong ma-inspire. Kahit anumang problema ang dumating, just continue lang tayo. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng panahon ay mahirapan tayo. Darating din ang time na magiging